out. My birds are enjoying their new house. Look at this, guys. I just created my own personalized birdcage, 5-star, which includes a motorized bathtub slash jacuzzi, as you can see here. It has a moss ground. The jacuzzi itself is surrounded by little rocks to make a little splash once in a while. In the corner you have bird food, and then in the first level you have a little branch, and at the back corner there's a little platform where I can throw some lettuce and watercress, because I love watercress. And then in the second level there's a little nest that hopefully will help the female to, you know, get along. So check it out. I'm gonna open a little bit so you guys can see better. Here they are. Have you ever seen a bird smiling? This is a look of a smiling bird, happy, living in a 5-star hotel. Canita. Hola. Check that out. Pretty cool, right? And I got this cage at Marshall's for 70 bucks. You know, I was thinking of building my own bird cage, which eventually I do one day, made of bamboo and oak frames, but for now this one works best. Take care.